is this? What the hell am I looking at? Dipshit, can you explain this shit?
Right.
Yeah, it looks like you
Just
told...
spit it out. It's 2 here. I told you it should be 4.
Well, no,
No. What are you, some kind of stupid?
I think you misunderstand.
You're a fucking idiot.
Well, no.
Are you an idiot? Sir?
That's the
It's
guy.
a simple question.
No,
Yeah, I
sir,
see you.
I'm sure we decided on...
Fuck it, you're fired. Go home.
But, sir...
Oh, shit.
He's trying to get away. Take the stairs.
Yeah.
I'll go this way.
Never ready. Son of a bitch.
Shitty elevator. Go faster.
Come on him.
Stop running, damn it!
Eat shit!
Oh shit!
Oh, he's going up. Up the ladder.
Shit!
Oh my god. Pretty dangerous.
Asshole.
Get out of the way!
Whoa, shit.
Move! Get out of the way!
Oh my god.
Leo, he cut me off! He's on your side! Sorry.
I see it. You're mine, Ray.
You're crazy.
Yes, he is.
What's up?
Get back here. Oh, he's on the elevator.
Watch it, you fucking numbnuts.
He's gonna crush me.
Where'd he go? I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, relax. No need to use that now, okay?
Why the hell not?
Let's focus on finding him first.
Whatever. Let's go. You see him?
No. Let's
Oh
look
my god,
around.
they're doing that thing.
He's probably hiding in here somewhere.
Look.
Yeah.
Hey!
Whoa!
Oh, fuck, I'm getting eating.
Close the door! He can't have gotten too far.
You in here?
I put it in there.
There's another container here. Let's check it out.
Get him!
He's over here! He locked it. Help me bust it open!
Whoa! Damn!
Oh,
Okay.
got me busted open.
Eat shit, Leo!
You got that piece of shit! I'm gonna kill you! Hey, Vince! Listen, I got an idea. Let's use that crane over there.
Yeah, okay.
Get you up there. Careful of your
Bring
head.
it over here! All the way down, Vincent! All the way!
Okay.
What are you doing? Hurry up!
Do you see him?
No! I don't see him anywhere. I don't know where he went.
Keep looking. He's got to be up there somewhere.
That's it.
Hey! He's heading for a crane! Cut him off!
Yeah. Ah,
I gotta do that. Oh, man.
Come on, Lee. Just keep moving. You're not afraid of heights.
Watch it, you fucking numbnuts.
there he is.
Got him.
Come on,
We got
get
him.
him.
Got him cornered. Oh, I gotta fight him.
Help me.
I'm coming, Vincent!
Leo.
Hang on!
Help!
Oh no. Oh my god, I am so slow.
I'm gonna die. Tackle him.
He's getting away! Get him!
Whoa.
Lucky no one's died. Come here, you son of a bitch.
Let me go. Ah, shit.
Where do you think you're going?
Get your hands off me.
Watch him more. We're all the way up there now.
You gonna tell me
Yeah.
where Harvey is?
Fuck you. I ain't telling you shit.
Fuck me, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
A gun. I wonder what you could do with this.
If you could stick it up your ass.
You know what? Let's put it here for now. Hey, Vincent. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of different things here that could make this guy talk. What do you say?
Guys, come on.
I've got a few ideas.
Yeah, me too.
How about the
Let's see if
edge?
you'll talk or not. This
A
should be
lamp.
interesting.
A wallet and a blowtorch.
This time you'll talk.
Oh.
Huh?
You
I
weren't
can't
hurt.
talk if you keep hitting me in the stomach, you idiot.
Damn it.
All right. No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Ah! Stop it! You're gonna break my arm!
You better start talking then.
Ah! Ah! My arm, man!
Next time, I will break it.
What's burning? A wallet? With a nail gun?
Nice. A torch.
Yeah, blowtorch.
Should be some useful information in here.
I'm gonna burn your face off if you don't start talking.
Fuck you!
Fuck me, huh? How about the dick?
Whoa,
then?
whoa, no, not the dick! Ah! Hot! 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 Oh, please! Please, my dick!
Now we're talking.
I bet this could give him a good scare.
Great! Grandpa's back again.
Do you know what a nail gun does to a human body?
You don't have it in you.
It's not plugged in.
Oh, should I demonstrate?
Go ahead. Do it. Ha! I knew it.
There's something valuable in here. This is your wallet, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look, what do we got here? Your car keys.
Yeah, so?
Try driving it now, huh?
I still ain't talking, jackass. I got a spare at home anyway.
Ah, shit!
All right, guys. All right. All right, you win. I'll tell you what you want.
Yeah? Start talking then.
All right. Calm down, man. Calm down. Somewhere in Mexico. I don't know where exactly, but he's in Mexico. He's got a big mansion there. It's the truth. I swear.
So that's where the rat is hiding, huh?
Yeah, that's where he is. Don't tell him I told you.
You don't tell me what to do.
All right. Calm down, man.
See you later.
Hey,
Let's go.
guys!
Yeah.
Where you going? Don't leave me here. You're crazy. Untie me. Guys, come back.
Guess we're heading down to Mexico then.
Yeah. We're gonna need bigger guns than this.
That's probably a good idea.
Mexico.
What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Wait. Step aside. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got a contact that might fly us down to Mexico.
That's good. And I got an idea on how to get those guns. But we're gonna need cash.
We can't risk robbing a bank now.
There are way easier places to rob than banks.
Like what? Gas station? You think they'll have enough money?
They better have. I'm not going after Harvey with just a handgun.
Yeah, well, guess there's only one way to find out.
Okay then. You ready?
Yeah, why don't you give me the gun?
What do you mean?
Look, we need to keep a low profile. That's not really your thing.
I say we do this the fast way, man. Just in and out.
I say we do this the easy way. Let's not make a scene.
What are we doing? You want to go with the gun? You gonna keep the gun or are you gonna give it to me? Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh
There
my
you are.
god.
You've been pretty quiet.
Hey, that's so weird. I've been talking. Okay. You want a gun?
Probably. Honestly, I think you'd probably keep it.
Yeah, let's just give it.
Just make sure nobody gets hurt.
Casual. Why? You know, you're coming in to buy something. Holy shit.
I'm just gonna go. You know what? I'm getting out of here.
Hey, look.
Just
You see
go.
this? It looks like a gun, but it isn't. It's the key to
Not
the register.
one more
So
word from
fucking
you.
open it.
Sit
You're
down.
wasting your time.
Now
There's barely
stay
any
there
cash in the
and
register.
shut up. Oh,
All right.
Hey.
No need to panic, okay?
Told ya.
Shit! Where's the safe?
There is no safe.
Bullshit! Hey, Vincent! There should be a safe around here somewhere. We should check it out.
I got him! Let me go!
Vincent!
Let him go! Get over here, man!
You fucking piece of shit!
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's go.
Fuckers. Think you can come in here?
Vincent, the clerk is up to something.
We
Check
need
it
a
out.
combination.
This is what I'm gonna give you. This is what...
Give me the fucking gun!
Get a
Give me the
gun.
combination. Give me the fucking combination.
I don't have it.
Don't make me do something I'm gonna regret. Give me the combination.
Fine. 137.
Check it.
1, 3, 7. Thank you.
I got the cash. Let's get to the car.
Officer!
Whoa! What's going on? Calm down, son. Calm down.
There's a robbery going on! 2 people robbing the place over there!
At the gas station?
Yes!
Let's go! Step on it!
God damn it! Dispatch! Out of 1050 in pursuit. This is Johnson. I responded to a 211. Kurt fled the scene.
Yeah, no problem. Just make sure to bring the goods, okay? Yeah, I know where that is. Got it. All right, see you there.
So,
We got the guns.
you trust this person?
I do. Stop worrying, Vincent. It's not good for your heart.
My heart is just fine. I just want to know what we're dealing with.
Relax, Mr. Paranoid. I trust her, okay? Besides, she owes me one. Now let's go get those guns.
If you say so.
You need to relax more, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Where's our helicopter?
Jasmine,
Leo,
you good?
I'm good. Who's this guy?
Don't worry, he's with me.
Oh, he's with you.
Yeah.
I'm Vincent.
Oh, hello, Vincent. How nice to meet you. You're a fucking idiot.
What?
Why don't you bring your whole family next time? I'm out.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What the fuck is wrong with you? You think I'm vending ice cream here? Listen, I told you, I don't do business with strangers. And this guy, he looks like a stranger to me.
Do you have a problem with me?
Yeah, I got a problem with you. You have a problem with me?
Of course.
Here you go.
Who the hell is this guy?
Let's just get those guns and we'll be out of here in no time, okay? Okay, Jasmine?
Okay. Which one?
So there's shotgun, like M16 or M4, and an MP3, MP5, and then a bolt-action sniper rifle, bolt-action rifle.
All right.
What can you do, my old friend?
M16, first fire assault rifle. The boys in Nam use these. Any good place for target practice around here?
Try shooting at those empty houses. That should do the trick.
Good idea. Let's see what kind of damage this bad boy can do.
Shotgun. Now this one does a lot of damage.
Nice. The brand new MP5. Perfect for close quarters combat.
I was wondering if it was new.
This is the perfect place for target practice.
I think I might take the MP5.
Alright, I'll get this shotgun then. Or a sniper. Okay.
Run, Leo, run!
Yeah, I'll take this one.
Hey, Leo. Ready to leave?
Okay.
What's the rush? Let's try the guns. Lots of things to shoot at.
Apparently this gun's brand new. In
Yeah.
the 70s.